Oldham Ramblers volunteer footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again last Tuesday, when? The 10th of June 2025, where? We all met again at Back Lane Mossley. What? Working on the Oldham Way, sorting out access issues encountered last week where we were unable to walk on the footpath because of overgrown vegetation. Strimmed and cut back footpath, fixed a fence and installed a step on a stile. Who? 6 volunteers out this week. Ken, Paul, Kevin, Mike, Keith and George. A big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching. Volunteers working for walkers. Keep on walking.